is my travel makeup look. It's simple. It takes me less than 10 minutes to put this look together. So I'm out exploring and out in my hotel doing my makeup. These are the two foundations I use. Love-hate relationship with this. Look at all of this product spill out. I don't have time to clean this today. It's MAC Face and Body when I'm looking for light coverage and Clinique even better skin for a fuller coverage. Long wearing, perfect for those days when you know you're going to be out for long. It has a matte coverage. I like to keep my concealer super light. I don't want creases under my eye by the end of the day. Love this Bobbi Brown creamy concealer stick. Gives me just enough coverage. Benefit brow pencil. Eyes, I either keep them bare or I use this Ilia shadow stick. I don't want to spend too much time doing my makeup in the morning while I'm traveling. I love products like this. You don't need a lot of brushes. All you need is your fingers. Liquid eyeliner is a must. Taking a lot of photos and videos, I personally feel using eyeliner and doing a defined eye like this will make your eyes pop. Blush, look at this Ilia blush. It has taken a beat. A creamy blush is my go-to. All you need is your fingers, a little dab 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 motion, have glowy flushed cheeks. Lastly, mascara. I'm currently using Lancôme. This is the mascara I used during my Japan trip. Lips, these are my two favorites. Ilia Tinted Lip MAC lipstick. This is my travel makeup look. Easy on luggage and it looks great in pictures.